Exercise 2.2. See question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So always you try to understand the question, what is given, what are the conditions are given, and what you have to find out. Okay, এটা ইয়াতে কি কৈছে, if you subtract এইটো নাম্বাৰ subtract কৰি আৰু এটা and multiply the result, subtract কৰিলে যোনটো result ওলাব হেতুৰ লগত multiply কৰিবা কি 1 by 2. After multiplication you get 1 by 8. What is the number? সদায় মনত ৰাখিবা যোনটো ওলাব দিব হেতুক তুমি always take the variable, হেতুকে এটা variable লৈ লবা. Okay, তো এতিয়া আমাক নাম্বাৰটো ওলাব দিছে, এইটো নাম্বাৰক আমি ভেৰিয়েবল লৈ কেনে আমি ইকুৱেশ্যনটো আগতে বনাম. ইকুৱেশ্যনটো ক'ৰ পৰা হয়? ইকুৱেশ্যনটো হয় কণ্ডিশ্যনৰ পৰা. কোনটো কণ্ডিশ্যন কুৱেশ্যনত দিছে. অ'কে, নাও সি what you have to find out, we have to find out the number. Okay, so we take the number, let the number be x. Number to আমি কি ধৰি লৈছো? x ধৰি লৈছো. According to question, now according to question you have to make the equation. What is the condition? If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, now you take the number as x. From this number if you subtract, কি subtract কৰিছা? 1 by 2 subtract কৰিছা. এতিয়া এইটো রেজাল্টৰ লগত কি কৰিব লাগিব? মাল্টিপ্লাই দ্য রেজাল্ট বাই 1 by 2. এতিয়া এইটোৰ লগত কি আকৌ মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব লাগিব? 1 by 2. Okay, after doing this, what you find the result you find it is equal to 1 by 8. So this is your equation. From the condition you make this equation, and after solving this equation, when you find the value of x, then that is your required number. So এইটো হল তোমাৰ equation. এতে equation solve কৰি কেনে তোমাৰ x ৰ value টো ওলাব লাগিব. Okay, next question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Eta rectangular swimming pool ki dise? Perimeter to di dise. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Ete directly length ho diya nai, breadth ho diya nai. Kiba eta relation dise dutar bhitorot. Length aru breadth ei dutar bhitor kiba eta relation dise. Ki ase relation to? Its length is 2 meter more. Length to kat ke besi, breadth ke 2 meter besi hoy. Hoy na? To breadth or logot length or relation to dise. Tene hole amak eta variable dhoribo lagibo. Kuntuk variable dhorim? Breadth of variable dharim. Why we take the breadth as that variable? Because it's given the relation length with the breadth. Length or logot breadth or relation diya nai. Breadth or logot length or relation dise. That's why we take the variable as the breadth. Okay, so let the breadth be x meter. Breadth ok ami dhori lolu ki x meter. Then what will be the length? Ki dise? Length to kenekwa dise? 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice mane guna. Kiman gun dise? Twice. That means do guna. That means 2 times. Okay, so 2 times besi. Yar logot kiman besi? Aro 2 meter besi. That means the length will be twice x. X2 is breadth. So twice x plus 2 meter more. So plus 2. So this is your length. Clear? Now according to the question, what is given? The perimeter is given. Perimeter is given 154. So perimeter of the swimming pool equal to 154. Ete perimeter of formula ki 2 into length plus breadth. So put the value of length. Length is twice x plus 2 and breadth is what? X. So twice x plus 2 plus x and 2 times is equal to 154. So this is your required equation, and after solving you have to find the length which is x and breadth. So this one 2 into x plus 2 x or value put kori kene tumi breadth aru length dutai ulabo pariba. Okay, number 3, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. Now what is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle where the two sides are equal length. Okay, the perimeter of the triangle, what is perimeter? Sum of three sides. Okay, is 4 and 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Jun duta equal side ase hei dutar length to ulabo dise. Juntu equal nai hetu di dise tomar length to. ঠিক আছে, তেনে হলে juntu equal side hetuke ami ki korim? Ami as a variable ধরিম. Okay, so let the length of equal sides be x centimeter. The perimeter ki? Perimeter is given. Perimeter of a triangle is sum of three sides. So দুটা আমার equal side আছে. Equal side দুটা হল x আৰু x, দুটাই equal side, আৰু এটা third side to measurement di dise which is 4 by 3. তিনিটা মিলি কেনে sum করি কেনে আমার perimeter to হয় a2. This is our perimeter. So this is your equation. From here you have to find the value of x. Okay, next, number 4, sum of two number is 95. দুটা number or sum korile 95 ulabo. If one exceeds the other by 15, exceeds mane besi, eta number beleg eta number ke besi, kiman besi? 15 besi. Find the numbers. Tene hole number duta ki hobo. Okay, so eta number amar eta number dhori lom, eta number dhori ami x lom, tora let the number one number be x. Tene hole beleg eta number ki hobo? Beleg eta number ei x ot ke kiman? 15 besi. Okay, so aro eta number hobo x plus 15. So according to question, what is given? 95 is the sum of these two numbers. So this number plus this number is equal to 95. So this is your equation. Okay, next, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Ratio is 5:3. Okay, if they differ by 18, differ mane difference, their difference is 18. What are the numbers? So this is given ratio, so we take the ratio as x. Always you take, it is you have to remember, always you take the ratios as x. So eta number tomar hobo 5x aru eta number hobo thrice x. Okay, there, so the numbers are 5x and thrice x. According to question, 5x minus thrice x equal to 18. Why? Because their difference is 18. Hiyotar bhitora difference to whole 18. So this number minus this number is 18. Clear? So this is your equation. Next, question number 6 is given. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. Etur mane ki? তিনটা consecutive number যদি add করা তেনে হলে তুমি পাবা 51. এতিয়া consecutive number কি? Consecutive number is the continuous number. There is no gap between the numbers. That is the consecutive number. So the তিনটা consecutive number তুমি যদি add করা, then you get 51. What are these integers? Okay, এতিয়া consecutive number আমি কেনেকে ধৰিম? ধৰা এটা নাম্বাৰ তুমি ফাৰ্স্ট নাম্বাৰটো এটা আছে, সেকেন্ড নাম্বাৰটো এটা আছে, থাৰ্ড নাম্বাৰটো এটা আছে. This is the first number, second number, third number. There is no gap between these three numbers. If you take this number as x, first নাম্বাৰটো তুমি যদি x ধৰা, তাহলে second নাম্বাৰটো কি ইয়াতকে এক বেছি হয় না নাই? 1 more than this number. So x ৰ লগত তুমি যদি 1 প্লাস কৰা তেনে হলে next নাম্বাৰটো পাই যাবা. Okay, x ৰ লগত যদি তুমি 2 প্লাস কৰা তেনে হলে থাৰ্ড নাম্বাৰটো পাই যাবা. ঠিক আছে, then always you take the consecutive numbers like this. If you take the first number as x, second number will be x plus 1, third number will be x plus 2, fourth number will be x plus 3, and so on. So these are like that you have to take the consecutive numbers. So the three consecutive numbers be x plus 1 and x plus 2. So according to question is what? If you add all the three numbers, then it becomes 51. So this plus this equal to 51. This is your equation. Okay. Then number 7. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. এতিয়া কি দিছে? Sum of three consecutive multiples. Multiples মানে কি? Multiples মানে এটা নাম্বাৰক তুমি যিমান মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি যোনটো নাম্বাৰ পোৱা, that is the multiples. Sum of three consecutive multiple. ঠিক আছে? Consecutive, again consecutive. কিমানৰ? Multiples of 8. Okay? Multiples of 8, first number to jodi 8 hoy, then second multiple is 16, third multiple is 24. Ite multiples bilak keneke tumi variable at likhiba. Dhora etu x, first number to x. Kimanor multiple hoy? 8 into x. Clear? Second to tumi 8 or logot x jodi 1 hoy, dhora x jodi 1 hoy, 8 into 2, it is equal to 16. Then hole 8 kiman? X plus 1. 8 or logot x plus 1 or multiple hoy ase. Okay. Third is 24 is how? 8 into 3, it is equal to 24. Now this third consecutive number, how you find x plus 2? If first number logot 2 plus kori third consecutive number to tumi multiply korile, with third multiples to paba. Clear? Kihor multiples? 8 or multiples. Kak multiply koriba? Tinita consecutive number ok. Kihere multiply koriba? 8 ere. Why? Because 8 or multiple lagibo. Okay. So the three consecutive multiples of 8 be, first one is 8x. Okay. Second one is 8 into x plus 1. Third one is 8 into x plus 2. If you have 7 or multiple, then you have to write here 7x, 7 into x plus 1, 7 into x plus 2. Okay. So according to question, sum of three consecutive multiples. Gotei keta add korila. Ki pala result to 888. Okay. So this is your equation. Clear? Number 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order, increasing meane from smaller to greater, and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, তিনিটা consecutive integer যদি increasing order তুমি multiply কৰা, যেনেকে first number to 2 ৰে multiply কৰিলা, second number to 3 ৰে multiply কৰিছা, third number to 4 ৰে multiply কৰিছা, ঠিক আছে? তাৰ পিছত এই তিনিটা নম্বৰক এড কৰি আমি কি পাম? 74. তেনেহলে নাম্বাৰ বিলাক কি? First, so consecutive numbers are what? x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Increasing order of multiply koriba. According to question, increasing order of multiply koriba. Ki here? 2, 3 and 4. So according to question, what you have to write down? First number you multiply by 2. Second number you multiply by 3. Third number you multiply by 4. Then add up to gotei ketar sum. So this plus this plus this. What you find? This is 74. So this is your equation. Okay. Next question number 9. The age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Ako ratio ahile, haine? 4 years later. Ratio jeti ahiba tete etu logot ata x loi loba. That is your variable. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. 4 বছৰৰ পিছত হিহঁতৰ age যদি এড কৰা তেনেহলে কিমান বছৰ হ'ব 56 years. What are their present age? So you have to present age, you have to find out. So their present age you have to take as variable. Present age is given, the ratios is given 5:7. So the age of Rahul becomes 5x and the Harun is 7x. Okay. 4 years later, Rahulor age kiman hobo? Etia age ase 5x. 4 বছৰত পিছত 5x ৰ লগত আৰু 4 বছৰ এড হ'ব. ক্লিয়াৰ? তেনেহলে 5x plus 4. আৰু হাৰুনৰ কিমান হ'ব? 7x plus 4. এই দুটা এজ এড কৰি কেনে আমি কি পাম? 56. Okay. So this one, present age of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x. After 4 years, their ages will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. According to question, this age and Harun's age, if you add, then you get 56. So this is your equation. Okay. Number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. Boys and girls are ratio at a class or ratio as a 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. This is the condition. Key condition? Boys or number kiman 8 more. 8 besi. 8 besi. Kiman ke? Kat ke? Girls or ke? ঠিক আছে? তেনেহলে boys কিমান 7x, girls কিমান 5x. Clear? কি ওলাব দিছে? What is the total class strength? ক্লাছত কিমান খিনি আছে? Total student কিমান আছে? So according to question is what? 7x is the number of boys. এতিয়া number of boys কিমানটা আছে? Condition to আছে যিনটো number of girls otke 8টা বেছি boys আছে. তেনেহলে number of girls হল 5x. ইয়াতকে কিমান বেছি? plus 8. That is the number of boys. Okay. So this is your equation. After finding the equation, you find the number of boys. কিমান নাম্বাৰ বয়েজ আছে আৰু কিমান নাম্বাৰ গাৰ্লছ আছে হেতু উলাই কেনে দুটা এড কৰিলে কিমান নাম্বাৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট আছে হেতু উলাব পাৰিবা. ওকে. Question number 12. No, sorry. Question number 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. এতিয়া সবতকে ফার্স্টত তোমাক ধৰিব লাগিব কাৰ লগত কাৰ ৰিলেশন দিছে. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Okay. এতিয়া Baichung'sৰ দেতাৰ লগত Baichung'sৰ ৰিলেশন দিছে আৰু এজৰ ৰিলেশন দিছে আৰু তেখেতৰ গ্ৰান্ডফাদাৰৰ এজৰ ৰিলেশন টু দিছে. তেনেহলে which one we have to take as x? Baichung's father, এটুক আমি x ধৰিম. Present age of Baichung's father is x. Okay. So Baichung's father age be x years. এতিয়া Baichung's age will be what? কিমান? Baichung'sৰ age হল তেখেতৰ ফাদাৰ্স কে কিমান হৰু 29 year younger. So 29 will be minus from x. What is x? X is the Baichung's father's age. Okay. আৰু এটা কন্ডিশন আছে কি গ্ৰান্ডফাদাৰ. গ্ৰান্ডফাদাৰৰ লগত কিমান? গ্ৰান্ডফাদাৰ হল Baichung'sৰ ফাদাৰস কে কিমান ডাঙৰ? 26 year older. So x ৰ লগত কি হ'ব? 26 plus হ'ব. So according to question is what? If you add their age, গোটেই কেটাৰ age to add কৰিলে কিমান পাবা? 135. So this is your equation. Okay. So ইমান খিনি কৰা মই next ভিডিঅ'ত বাকি খিনি দি দিম. Okay.